Hello, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how to use Supabase with Flutter. So you have to make sure that it's already connected to your Flutter app. And after you've linked your Supabase URL and key, you can now begin building features like sign-in forms, content feeds, or user dashboards. Use Supabase built-in functions to register new users and check login details or fetch data from specific tables. For example, you can create a login screen, and when someone logs in, Supabase handles their session automatically. Then you can load their data into your app's home screen. If you need examples, Supabase has ready-to-use Flutter templates in their documentation, which are super helpful for beginners. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.